Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own Roblox account. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to roblox.com. I will leave a link to this in the description down below if you just want to click on it from down there. But once you are on this main page right here, what you can do then is you can start entering in your information, and first up will be your date of birth or your birthday. So first of all, just go ahead and put in your date of birth right here. Once you have done that, you can then enter in a username. As you can see here, it says don't use your real name, so just choose something that you want to be known by on Roblox. So for me, I've just put in Ryan HTO online, and then once you have chosen a username, you can then enter in a password. Once you enter in a password, you can then click on whatever gender you are, and this is optional, so you can also leave this blank. Once you do that, you can then click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, as you can see, you'll be brought over to the main page of Roblox, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.